Good morning, dear children. I am Chinmay Mahapatra, Jivajyoti High School, Bamur. Welcome to you, the online teaching program, Sikkha Sanjog, Kishore Nagar block. Children, we have already completed SGP 1, 2 and 3 of our topic Riddle Master. Then come to the post-reading activity, session 4 and 5. First is the visual memory development technique. I have already told you so many times about this. So children, first read the text, take a photograph of the text with your eye camera, then close your book and locate the words with the help of your teacher, with the help of your friend and also yourself. Then come to comprehension activities. MCQ. Fill in the blanks with correct alternatives. Buddhu Adam was a dash, a moneylender, B. woodcutter, C. farmer, D. storyteller. What is the right answer? Right answer is the storyteller. Okay. Then come to the next. Number 2. Buddhu Adam called a tooth dash. Buddhu Adam called a tooth a dash. A. wildcat, B. hairy caterpillar, C. white stone, D. hornless bullock. Right answer is white stone. Then who has a crown but is not a king? A. cock, B. hen, C. crow, D. sparrow. Right answer is cock. A bamboo with 7 eyes is the dash. A. harmonium, B. guitar, C. flute, D. sitar. Answer correct is C. flute. Children, I would like to inform you one thing. Then the match the paragraphs with their contents has been done for you. There is 7 paragraphs and content is also there. Paragraph 3 and 4 is mentioned here but content is not there, and the content of paragraph 8 and 10 is there. Paragraph is not mentioned here and 9 paragraph is not mentioned here. So I have already divided into 10 paragraphs and 10 contents. I will send you the question and answer to you. So see, first one is done for you. Paragraph 1, Buddhu can tell stories like the thieves and the widow's son. Paragraph 2, Buddhu Adam's talk is full of riddles. Paragraph 3, Buddhu Adam found the children waiting to hear stories. Paragraph 4, Buddhu cheated the moneylender. Paragraph 5, the moneylender was less cruel. Paragraph 6, the moneylender went on moving forward and backward. Then paragraph 7, the long and difficult riddle of the moneylender solved by Buddhu. Then paragraph 8, when the red tea went in, the riddle came out. Paragraph 9, everyone was trying his best to find an answer. Paragraph 10, choosing the little riddle master. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଠି ତୁମର ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 7 ଦିଆଯାଇଛି 7 ଯାଏ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 8 ଆଉ 10ର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ 8 ଆଉ 10 ମେନସନ୍ କରିନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁକରି ମୁଁ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ତୁମକୁ କରିଦେଇଛି. ଓକେ, ଦେନ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ସେସନ୍ 5, ଲିସନିଂ. ୟୋର ଟିଚର ୱିଲ୍ ରିଡ୍ ଆଲାଉଡ୍ ଦ ଫଲୋଇଂ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ. ଲିସନ୍ ଟୁ ହିମ୍ or her and fill in the blanks. As your teacher is not here, you have to do yourself. So with the 2 other people as dash, I made the moneylender. The blank is filled by witness. All of us went to the dash. Answer is forest. It was very cold dash morning. I asked him to take off his warm clothes. Then I gathered some dry dash leaves and wood to set fire to them. We sat very dash close to the fire. When it dash blank is filled by blessed, it was very hot and he moved dash backward. I also moved backward. When the fire was less hot, he felt cold and moved forward. In this way, he went on moving backward and forward. Then come to speaking activity. It is the practice how to tell English well. So it is teacher versus students and student versus students. Then follow me, students. Moneylender said, pay my loan, Buddhu. Buddhu Adam, I don't have money, sir. Moneylender, then answer my riddles. Buddhu Adam said, yes, sir. Moneylender, Raja's plate that cannot be washed, what is it? Buddhu Adam, a snake. Moneylender, a bamboo with 7 eyes. Buddhu Adam said, a flute. Moneylender said, you have answered all my riddles. You need not pay my money back, Buddhu. Buddhu Adam said, thank you, sir. So first, student, practice the dialogues and close your books and said it. That's why you can tell or you can practice your English very well. First learn it, then close your book and practice it. So it is about your speaking activity. Then we have already completed in this lesson session 4 and 5. So the speaking activity is also very important, how to speak English well. So don't forget to practice this activity, and in your classroom situation you can do it by one is moneylender and one student is also Buddhu Adam. 2 students come to the front and practice this activity. As the classroom situation is not here, then you should do it at your home. Then subscribe to my channel Chinmay Educare to get the new lessons. Then thank you, students. Goodbye. See you next. Let's wind up our class.